Camunda 8 is about many more ways to integrate with any system and keep your data safe. You can learn about these and other benefits of Camunda 8 and why our customers choose the new platform version in our previous video, which is called Camunda 8, to migrate or not. If you still need to find the answer to this question, we suggest you watch our last video. On the other hand, if you have realized that the previous version of Camunda no longer meets your needs, or you want to avoid taking risks that Camunda 7 will not be supported for many more years, then this video is for you. Today, we're pleased to invite our software developer Ihor, who as our technical expert will share his experience and talk us through 5 challenges in migrating to Camunda 8.
This migration is not about minor or patch version. The difference between versions is huge. First of all, it affects your architecture. Now Camunda wants to fit better for cloud-native applications. There are 2 options to manage your Camunda platform, a PaaS solution and on-premise. If you want to deploy Camunda on-premise, you should manage more points about databases, ZB, Camunda engine, and so on. If you choose platform as a service approach, only things you should worry about is data and your application. The next thing you should worry about is how your code will interact with Camunda platform. Camunda 8 uses completely new approach with workers. There are no Java Delegates, execution task listeners that we used in Camunda 7. One difference is now you cannot inject bpmn engine directly to your application and use it in your code. So now you externally connected to Camunda engine called ZB. Also, there is some difference with storing process data. So if your business logic rely on these things, you should keep in mind. Even working with bpmn scheme and its elements was slightly changed. For the present time, Camunda 8 doesn't support transactional subprocesses, compensation, and conditional event. If your current project leverage all these things, you should to manage it.
We hope that this video was found useful by you, so please like it and subscribe to our channel. Not only will you be able to help us to promote our YouTube channel, but you will also be able to see our new content as it is being released. By the way, next video is going to be about reducing technical risks when migrating to Camunda 8 almost completely. So subscribe to the channel and make your migration as efficient as possible.